Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. Over here on my channel, you're going to get beauty, fashion, lifestyle, motherhood, and all the girly things in between. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into this video because I'm super excited to talk about the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. We're going to give all the things, the specs, how it wears throughout the day. I do a check-in and all that good stuff. So if you want to see my thoughts on this new e.l.f. foundation, then keep on watching. So for primer, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the e.l.f. Stay Cool Primer Stick. Stay cool is about right. It's hot out here. It's hot outside. So we want to stay cool. My face is already hydrated, cleansed, and we're gonna go in with this primer. This primer is actually really, really good. It's really hydrating on the skin. It's for hydration and soothing. And my apologies if I sound a little nasally. I am coming off of a sinus cold, so bear with me. But I'm gonna go ahead and rub this in. So yeah, this primer is more of a soothing, smooth, hydrating primer. So here it is. This is the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. It is a medium buildable coverage, long lasting. It has 1% hydrating hibiscus complex in it. I picked mine up in the shade 40 Tan Warm, and the claims are coverage, supposed to be buildable, long wearing, satin finish with the hydrating foundation. So I am going to be stepping out today. It's currently 1:53. So we're gonna wear this and test this out. Let's see, I hope this is the right shade. When I swatched it, I opened it to like swatch it on my hand before coming to film for you guys. And I was like, I should have probably got another shade, but we're gonna make this work. I did watch like 2 or 3 videos on this, but let's see what my thoughts are. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the brush and then follow it with the sponge just to see how much coverage we can actually build up on this. To the touch, is really like creamy and seems like it's not really medium to me. This is not immediate medium to me. Let's see what it does. The color seems to be okay. I am more of a sponge girl, but sometimes I do like to use a brush. So I'm gonna put more and then see if I'll get more coverage. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my face like I normally would. I tried to like disperse it out, but let's just, you know, do the norm. The color seems fine though. I'm gonna spray my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray just to help move the product around a little bit more. This looks really, really good on the skin. Hydrating, very lightweight. It does come in 36 shades. It retails for $8. It is at Walmart. I purchased mine at Walmart. I'm not exactly sure when it's gonna come out to like Target, you know, our favorite stores, Ulta, all that. But it is at Walmart and it is on elfcosmetics.com. And I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna keep you guys posted throughout the day. I would say so far, feels very lightweight, which I need for the heat going out today. I'm gonna go ahead and color correct under my eyes with this e.l.f. Putty Corrector Eye Primer, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my face. First impression, it is nice. It is buildable. I will say that if you use a sponge, keep in mind that it does take a little bit of the product away, but I like the way that it still looks flawless on the skin. And when I was trying it with the brush, I feel like I wasn't putting too much. Could have been maybe the brush. I'm not sure. This is the Real Techniques buffing brush, but maybe I should use more of a stencil type of brush and maybe not one that's so dense. But I like using a sponge anyway, naturally, when I do my foundation. So, okay, so this is the finished look. It's still sitting really nicely on the skin, even after setting my face with sprays, powders, concealer, all the things. It still looks really good and still feels very lightweight. It is now 2:22, so I will be checking back in with you guys a little bit later as I go out and tackle the heat. Well, the heat is going to probably tackle me, but I'll go out and keep you guys posted throughout the day. All right, you guys, so it is now 10:03 and we are finally home. And so I had this on for about 6 or 7 hours. That was at 2:22 when I showed you guys. So this is what my face is looking like at 10:03. And I am loving the natural glow that this is doing. I don't know if that's from the primer in itself or the actual satin finish, but this is exactly how I like my face to look throughout the day. And it's just a natural glow within. The satin finish is very, very soothing and smooth on the skin, and it's not heavy. It is still lightweight, although I've been outside in this sun, girl. It's still lightweight on the skin, and my face, I don't feel like anything is shifting or slipping or anything like that. I did eat, of course, and wipe my mouth, but other than that, this is looking really good. My under eyes actually stayed intact with me setting my under eye with that powder that I use. So I would say if you haven't checked the foundation out by e.l.f., go and check it out. It is on elfcosmetics.com as well as in Walmart. $8, you cannot beat it with a stick. I will give this 2 thumbs up, and I'm also gonna be wearing it a little bit more throughout the weeks to come to see how I like it with different products that I have already that I naturally use in my routine. So yes, if you enjoyed this review of the new e.l.f. Satin Foundation, give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.